Ready to leave your bulky camera at home? Meet the game-changer Vivo X200 Ultra. Vivo's new X200 Ultra is here to shake things up. Powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite processor and packing up to 16 GB of RAM, this phone is not messing around. But the real showstopper? The camera system. With a triple camera setup featuring 250MP Sony sensors and a jaw-dropping 200MP Samsung sensor, you're looking at unparalleled photo quality, and it doesn't stop there. The optional photographer kit takes it to the next level, with a removable grip, telephoto lens, and an extra battery. Imagine having exposure and zoom control right at your fingertips through dedicated buttons. The 200MP camera paired with a Zeiss 2.35x telephoto converter lens extends your zoom range up to 8.7x. Sure, it might not replace your DSLR just yet, but for everyday photography, the Vivo X200 Ultra is a serious contender. So are you ready to upgrade your photo game? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more tech updates.